Hey, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the best tips and tricks for a healthier lifestyle. Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of our well-being: blood circulation. Poor circulation can lead to a host of health issues, but fear not. We've got 12 amazing foods that can dramatically improve your blood flow. 1. Dark chocolate delight. Did you know that indulging in a bit of dark chocolate can do wonders for your blood circulation? Dark chocolate is rich in flavonoids, which help relax and dilate blood vessels, promoting smoother blood flow. Plus, it's a delicious treat to satisfy your sweet tooth guilt-free. 2. Citrus sensation with oranges. Next up, we have oranges. These vibrant fruits are packed with vitamin C, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood vessels. Vitamin C also aids in the production of collagen, keeping your blood vessel walls strong and flexible for optimal circulation. 3. Berry boost. Berries such as strawberries, blueberries and raspberries are not only delicious but also incredibly beneficial for your circulation. These little powerhouses are loaded with antioxidants and flavonoids, which help reduce inflammation and improve blood flow throughout your body. 4. Leafy greens galore. Leafy greens like spinach, kale and Swiss chard are fantastic additions to your diet for better circulation. They're packed with nitrates, compounds that help widen blood vessels, allowing for improved blood flow. Incorporate these greens into your salads, smoothies, or sautés for a nutritious boost. 5. Nuts and seeds supercharge. Nuts and seeds such as almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and L-arginine, both of which support healthy blood circulation. Snack on a handful of these nutrient-packed goodies or sprinkle them over your morning oatmeal for a heart-healthy kick. 6. Garlic greatness. Garlic isn't just for flavoring your favorite dishes, it's also a potent ally for your circulatory system. Garlic contains allicin, a compound that helps relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. Incorporate fresh garlic into your cooking whenever possible to reap its circulation-boosting benefits. 7. Beetroot bliss. Beetroot is a true superfood when it comes to improving blood circulation. Packed with nitrates, beetroot can help lower blood pressure and enhance blood flow to vital organs and muscles. Enjoy beetroot in salads, juices, or even roasted as a tasty side dish. 8. Fatty fish feast. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and trout are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to improve circulation by reducing inflammation and preventing blood clots. Aim to include fatty fish in your diet at least twice a week for maximum cardiovascular benefits. 9. Turmeric triumph. Turmeric, the golden spice renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties, can also help improve blood circulation. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, promotes healthy blood vessel function and reduces the risk of blood clot formation. Add a sprinkle of turmeric to your soups, stews, or smoothies for an extra circulation boost. 10. Green tea. Goodness, swap out your morning cup of coffee for a refreshing mug of green tea to support better blood circulation. Green tea is loaded with catechins, antioxidants that help widen blood vessels and improve blood flow. Plus, its moderate caffeine content provides a gentle energy boost without the jitters. 11. Cayenne pepper kick. Spice up your meals with a dash of cayenne pepper to fire up your circulation. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, a compound that stimulates blood flow and improves circulation throughout the body. Sprinkle cayenne pepper on roasted veggies, soups, or even dark chocolate for an added kick. 12. Water wonder. Last, but certainly not least, don't forget the importance of staying hydrated for optimal blood circulation. Drinking an adequate amount of water throughout the day helps maintain blood volume and viscosity, ensuring smooth circulation to every part of your body. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily to keep your circulation flowing smoothly. And there you have it, 12 incredible foods to supercharge your blood circulation and boost your overall health. Incorporate these delicious and nutritious options into your diet to unlock vitality and feel your best from the inside out. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time on our journey to a healthier lifestyle. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more wellness tips.